I was actually in a very severe car accident. Mike took his time. The process was a little confusing because there were so many moving parts between the insurance companies, adjustments with the damages that took place with the accident. I really wasn't sure. It's a devastating situation when you get into a car accident, and especially when you are seriously injured. But he took his time and then broke the process down, and he made everything really clear and easy to understand. Reassured is the first thing that comes to mind, because no matter what was going on, he stayed on top of every aspect of getting the case resolved, and that was something that was super important to us, because I was unable to work for a long time, which created a lot of financial situations that weren't good. And Mike really had that human touch to the situation where he was empathetic and sympathetic, and that made me feel really comfortable working with him. And that was something that really stood out the most. I know there's a lot of attorneys out there that possibly say they can do the same things, but I firsthand witnessed his expertise to help with getting an injury case resolved. And in fact, I actually did recommend someone very close to me, which was my mother. So if I'm willing to recommend my mother, I'm willing to recommend pretty much anybody else. The way Mike and his team handled the case was phenomenal, and we're thankful because it allowed us to move on from the situation. I'm definitely going to say he's aggressive. He didn't sit back and wait for things to happen. He made sure things happened for the benefit of his client.